Today we're going to teach you how to configure and use Comfort Access on your new Macan Electric. For Comfort Access to function, you must have the key on your person. To configure Comfort Access, you'll go to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Vehicle Locking Systems. As you scroll down, you can turn Comfort Access off completely by selecting this top option. The new Macan Electric has a couple of different options when it comes to Comfort Access. One is automatically unlock when approaching. You can turn that on and off here. If it's off, you would just walk up to the door and put your hand on the handle and it will unlock. If you have it on, you'll approach the vehicle and the vehicle will unlock prior to you arriving to the vehicle. With the second one here, you can automatically lock while moving away, but if you turn it off, you can also still lock the door by pressing the lock button indentation on the door handle, or you can turn this on and get out of the car and walk away, and it will lock on its own. A confirmation double beep will happen, and a flash of your indicator lights. Let's talk about theft protection and interior monitoring. Interior monitoring watches for any intrusion or movement on the inside of the vehicle after the vehicle is locked. This would be great if you left a pet in the car or someone else in the vehicle and you still wanted to lock the doors with them inside. Now there's a couple of different ways to deactivate interior monitoring. One is here in the PCM. One is by the key fob, hitting the lock button twice within 2 seconds. And then the other is hitting the indentation in the door handle twice within 2 seconds. And you'll get 2 quick flashes of the indicator lights and then a long flash telling you that interior monitoring has been turned off. This last option here will pull up a screen to check and see if you would like to deactivate interior monitoring prior to exiting the vehicle. There are a number of different things you can configure when locking and unlocking your Macan Electric. One is to decide which doors you would like to unlock and when you lock and unlock the vehicle. You can unlock the doors in an approaching direction, i.e. if you're approaching from the driver's side, it will lock the driver's side doors, or only the driver door, or all doors if you would like all doors to be unlocked when you hit the button. You can also change to confirm locking with a beep if you would like to lock and unlock quietly. You can fold the exterior mirrors when locking if you like. You can lock doors while driving. As soon as you put it into drive or reverse, it'll lock the vehicle doors. Or you can unlock the doors when opening the trunk. You can also open the tailgate with a foot gesture. To open the tailgate with a foot gesture, you'll just kick your foot directly under the parking sensor and also under the E in Porsche. It will open and close the tailgate with this particular foot gesture. To open the front trunk with a hand gesture, all you do is slide your hand here under the crest. Now there's a second way to open the front trunk, the rear trunk, and even the charging ports if needed. You'll go to Settings, scroll down, Vehicle Settings, scroll down, Hood Tailgate and Charging Ports. This allows you to open the front hood while sitting in the car, open the left charging port, and you'll notice when you open it, it locks out the second one because you can't have both charging ports open at one time. You can also open and close the tailgate here. To open the tailgate, you just have a 1-button push. But if you would like to close the tailgate from inside, you need to push and hold. Also, when you turn the vehicle off, you'll have this pop-up screen here. Now, it allows you to do a few different things. You can access the charging menu here. You can turn on and off interior monitoring. You can access the front trunk or rear tailgate to open or close, and you can access the charging port doors as well. Now, if your vehicle is off and the PCM is on, you can access that same menu with this icon. You now can use the locking, unlocking, and comfort access features in your new Macan Electric.